Welcome aboard Ecstasy, a 2002 Sea Ray Sundancer 460, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Sea Ray 460 Sundancer represents elegance and performance in the world of luxury power yachts. With her sleek and modern design, the 460 offers an unrivaled pleasure boat experience. The Sundancer line is Sea Ray's most iconic series of boats and is the embodiment of elegance, performance, and sophistication. Designed with the right mix of quality and performance, the Sundancer 460 is a brilliant and entertaining platform and an inviting place to spend entire days on the water. And with a sleek, stylish appearance that's both modern and unmistakably Sea Ray, the Sundancer 460 is a boat you'll be proud to own and proud to share. Stepping aboard is easy into the spacious cockpit with SeaDek flooring that provides comfort and safety with incredible grip. Moving aft to the spacious swim platform, there is plenty of room for relaxing, and boarding is easy both from stepping aboard from the dock and accessing from the water. In the cockpit, the full beam layout of the Sundancer 460 allows for a best use of space and provides ample seating. The well-arranged variety of spaces in the cockpit provides easy maneuverability between them and includes all the features of a well-designed boat. With a factory fiberglass hardtop and full enclosure, the cockpit is a well-protected and climate-controlled space that will keep you comfortable. The helm area is elevated, providing an unobstructed and excellent 360-degree view that is truly appreciate maneuvering while underway and docking. This vessel is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the helm, including Raymarine chart plotter, autopilot, VHF radio, tri-data displays, and bow thruster controls. Just next to the wheel is a remote spotlight control. A bolstered seat provides comfort and support. Moving forward from the cockpit, along the side deck is easy with numerous grab rails and handholds. The ground tackle includes a LaFrance windlass with all chain and includes bow and helm controls. A flush hatch on the bow offers easy access to the anchor chain locker. On the bow, you are greeted with a large sunbed that is safely and easily accessible by the walk-around bow and makes this the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. Heading below, the cabin is bathed in a soft light from the hull windows. There is room for 6 adults to sleep comfortably in the open layout of this boat, and the interior is finished in a beautiful cherry wood and fine fabrics. In the Salon, there is easy access to the settee to starboard and the galley to port. The crescent-shaped Salon sofa also converts into a comfortable berth for 2 adults. The Salon offers overhead storage, and the electrical panel is in the Salon and easily accessed. The very functional galley of the 460 Sundancer is equipped with molded fiberglass countertops with inset sinks and sink covers. There is a built-in microwave, electric stove, and a stand-up large refrigerator with freezer. The opening to the aft cabin has a sliding door, and when open allows the spaces from the cabin and salon to flow together. The aft cabin is a comfortable space that can be utilized as a sitting area with a settee or converted to a berth and easily accommodate 2 people. This 460 provides the convenience and luxury of a washing machine that is hidden away in a cabinet. The aft cabin includes a sizable and very functional head with vacuum flush toilet and a shower. Moving forward, we enter the forward stateroom, which has an inner spring mattress and is accessible from both sides. There is an abundance of storage with drawers and cabinets. This cabin includes a generous and very functional private head that includes an elegant sink and a vacuum flush toilet. There is an additional door giving access to the salon. The walk-in shower is roomy and well equipped with beautiful fixtures and a plexiglass shower door. Engine room access is quick and effortless and located in the center of the cockpit deck. The Sea Ray Sundancer 460 is equipped with twin Cummins 6 CTA Diamond Series diesel engines that provide the Sea Ray with a smooth, fast, and quiet ride. Additionally, it is equipped with a 10 kilowatt Westerbeek generator. To book your appointment to view this Sea Ray Sundancer 460, contact Little Yacht Sales.